The ad hoc committee of Soyong Congress had met newspersons at a press conference held on the 7th of June 2022 to announce the reviving of the new ad hoc Soyong Congress committee after the previous Bloc Congress committee was recently dissolved. Members of the Soyong Bloc Congress committee was dissolved last month after former Congress MLA HDR Lingdo switched allegiance to the UDP ahead of the assembly elections of 2023. The group of congressmen was led by ad hoc President Badoenbor Maulong and accompanied by party workers Hambert Thangkhiu and Rishad Thaba. The ad hoc Soyong BCC has called for a public meeting at Maumaram on the 25th of June 2022 to make plans to revive and strengthen the party in the constituency.
Tao kejingwan jungi ini kalong kadi kejing pemena ya baru unit di circle jong Soyong konstitusi bat ke MPCC kala dissolve no ya Soyong block komiti kumjuru ya circle jong pi benta ke MPCC kala tung no yang akum presiden acting president kat kum ka orda bat ka mat ka ba kadau ke bawah MPCC ka dissolve ya kinokit kam ke beren kumbang latim dengan baki kubur ba ICR indo uladon kejingmu benrum no siapa UDP bat halot kata kisaki ti babian ke MPCC ke lekot yanga lembat iki perlok di jonga kekikin hun ki jongi nilai priu jingmut namar nakaliang jongi dapat projek upaya wei kandidat kumta hadir kejing ya selok MPCC ke tungno yang akum ad hoc presiden haka sa umriu aja afwa hadir kejing tung MPCC yang akum presiden akum ad hoc presiden minin kamiet mila penlong ui kejing elang apa Maumaram mila tung lu ya kawai ka ad hoc committee dekat berperkat Yesim Yakarai Menkot Yaki Circle Ki Unit Ibarim Bat ke Kongres Bat kinukitkan ke Kongres Halo kata Nilarai Menkot Yaki Haka meeting ke Banlong Haka Arfan Terik Ndriu Arjar Fuar Soyong Maumaram Haka Pos Pemujing Mustem Dan kumta lakarpat Ya baru Ki Presiden Sekretari Jangki circle ki badan haka sapo tamne duna kinjawan khnang namar haka te kesni sim ya kara ningkong banjit suwa ya kinong kitkam hapok kasinong Soyong Block Congress Committee khnang ba ninjo ya kajing punskan na ke MPCC lengba district hadir kajing punskan ni saya no syakmat ban penyar ya i unit bat ki circle